In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop in Figma. If you're working with an image and want to crop it, there are specific steps you need to follow. First, if you just select the image and try dragging its corners, you'll notice that it doesn't crop the image. It resizes it instead. Sometimes it maintains the proportions, while in other cases it squeezes or stretches the image unnaturally. So this method won't help if you're trying to crop. To actually crop the image, you need to hold down Control or Command on your keyboard while dragging the corners. As you do that, you'll see that the image starts cropping instead of resizing. This gives you manual control over how much of the image you want to keep visible. If you don't want to use keyboard shortcuts, you can also crop from the interface. First, select your image and go to the right-hand side of your screen. Scroll down to locate the Fill section. Inside the Fill section, click on the image thumbnail. Then click on the drop-down menu labeled Fill and choose the option called Crop. Once selected, drag the edges or corners of the image to crop it as desired. You'll be able to see the parts of the image being cropped in real time. To finalize the crop, simply click anywhere else on the screen, and that's how you can crop in Figma.